So this is the garden that I have to destroy. It was left behind by the previous owners and we've stripped all the wood off of it, but now I've got to get rid of and dump all of these garden beds. So I thought this was a good opportunity, since I've never used the bucket on this particular tractor, to see if I could even do it. So there was no way that I was going to be able to garden in any of these. They were just completely full of grass. So we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to be putting brand new beds just over there, new steel ones, but let's see if I can even move the dirt. Attempting to use this bucket is going to be interesting for me because, like I said, I've never used it before, but hey, I'm doing it for Crazy Days. Wanda, I hope I make you proud.